Mama,
Mama,
happy birthday.
birthday to you.
Love you.
Love you.
Kiss.
Happy birthday, my beautiful baby.
Happy birthday, ma. I love you. Thank you sa lahat. Ay, alam mo ba si Joy kanina nahuli dahil sa overspeeding?
Sino Joy?
Eh di si Tita Joy.
Tita Joy?
Oo, magpa-birthday na lang, nagpahuli pa.
Ay, grabe.
Happy birthday, Joy!
More blessings to you.
And more Hot Wheels!
Enjoy!
In behalf of Diecast community, this is Brian greeting you, Tita Joy. Happy 18th birthday. Pang ilang 18th birthday mo na ba? And I wish you have many more birthdays to come. And also good health to you and to Tito Mark. Ikaw yung tita ng Diecast group. So, more power and happy birthday to you.
Hi tita, happy birthday po.
Hi Mother, love you. Happy birthday and thank you sa lahat-lahat. Mahal na mahal ka namin magkakapatid and thank you sa pag-support mo sa amin sa lahat. I know marami kaming mistakes pero nandiyan ka pa rin for us. Sana hindi magbago yung love mo for us and I'm so thankful that you're my mom and God gave me you as my mom because I couldn't ask for more, for a better one. I know marami tayong arguments and hindi pagkakaintindihan pero I'm really happy and lucky na nandyan ka pa rin for me to support me in everything. Ayun, mamimiss kita pag lumipat na ako. Thank you kasi sinuportahan mo ko dito kahit na alam kong labag sa loob mo. But still, thank you mama. Love you so much. Enjoy mo yung araw mo, okay? Dito lang kami for you.
Hey Ma, happy birthday. Thanks for everything that you've done for us. And I really appreciate you. I love you.
Take 21 na po tayo. At yan, ay tita. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Enjoy your day. At sana mabusog mo kami. Thank you po sa lahat. Lahat please. Thank you tita sa tiwala niyo sa akin for being part of God Wheels. Yan, tiwala ni Madam, sila Kuya Oyo. And tita, God bless you more and more birthdays to come. At sa inyong family po, we love you and hope to see you soon. Sana po magustuhan niyo itong video na to at yung pasabog ulit. Ayan, bye tita. Love you, see you soon. Bye.
Hello Tita Joy. Happy birthday. Pasensya na, talagang busy lang. But I wish you all the best. Maging maligaya ka sa buhay mo, sa lahat ng oras. And I know time will come. Kung ano yun, pangarap
I wish you more wealth, health, and happiness. Stay happy. God bless you and miss you. I hope to see you soon. Love you. Happy birthday.
Good morning po, Tita Joy. Happy birthday po. God bless po.
Hi, Tita Joy. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang good health. Always happy. Saka dumami pa pera mo kasi alam kong generous. Thank you for everything, for all your support sa akin. At may good news ako sa'yo, kaya lang I'll call you later. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day and good luck. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mommy Joy. We love you.
Oy, Ate Joy, happy birthday! Nay, sabi mo happy birthday. Lakasan mo ah. Happy birthday. Yun. Sabi mo, wala ka ng pera. Wala. Wala. Sabi mo, I love you. Nay, sabi mo, I love you, Joy. Ay, hindi mo alam.
Share ko nga pala yung ringtone ng cellphone ko. Love you, tita. Happy birthday.